everybody, today I'm going to be reviewing the Puluz Photo Studio light box from Amazon. So I've just moved my camera up so that you can see the lights inside. There is a row of LEDs on the back and on the top here. When you buy this kit, it comes in this cloth bag, which is pretty nice if you need to fold it back up and travel with it. And then it comes with these 5 other colored backdrops. There's blue, red, black, yellow, and green. Here are the other colors. This is so overexposed, but there's green, yellow, black, red, and blue. And I just have the white one in there, obviously. This light box stands around 9.5 inches tall, and from the far back to this front lip part, it is about 9 inches. So if that gives you any reference of the size or anything. Also, this is just a regular Funko Pop that I have standing in there. And if you notice on the inside, there's this hole here where you can push this up and then you can take photos from looking down into the box, which is really nice for product photography. I will say though, this thing is a total magnet to dog hair, which doesn't surprise me. So if you have a dog that sheds a lot, be careful with it. Is what I always do is I take a piece of tape and I make a circle out of it so then I can put it on my finger so that it's easy to just go like that and get any dog hair or lint or anything off of there. Overall, I think this is pretty good. There's 2 different ones there's one that's $13 and it has 1 row of lights, and then there's one that's $15. It's 15 or 16 and it has these 2 rows of lights, the one in the back and the one up here. It does have these 2 cords coming out of the side. I'm going to just unplug it real quick. So when you get this, it just comes with this USB cord, and then I have it plugged into my iPhone cube right now. And whenever you plug it in, it does turn on. So usually if I'm taking a whole bunch of pictures, but I'm not going to be taking them one after the next, if I have to move things and set things up, I like to plug it into one of those extension cord bars that has an on-off button so that I can just turn the electricity to it off completely. And so up there you can see those little tabs. That is where you put the backgrounds on. It's not too difficult to put them on, but they are held on there nice and sturdily. That's not a word, but they are nice and sturdy on there, so you don't have to worry about them falling off. And so the instructions for putting this together are super bad, so I'm just going to show you guys real quick how to put it together. So when you get it, it comes completely flat. But what you do is on each of the corners, there's these little tabs, and you just so this one is like this, so you push this one down, and then you push this one up, and then slide them together. Another thing is they do get pretty warm, so keep this away from children, which is kind of an obvious. As well, try not to touch them. I mean, they're hot, but you're not gonna burn yourself, but just try to avoid touching them if you can. So now I will be showing you guys just a bunch of pictures that I took using this box. Some of the pictures I took with this camera, and some of them I took with my iPhone. So I will label on there which ones are from my phone and which ones are from a good camera. But overall, I do recommend this. I really like this. I will definitely be using this a lot if you do product photography or you do YouTube. I recommend it if you make things on YouTube, crafts, DIYs, or if you review a lot of smaller things and you need something to have good thumbnails or a good clip of something in a pure white background or whatever other colors they have. So overall, I recommend this. I think this is really good, and it's amazing for the price, 15 bucks, super good. So now we'll just get right on to the pictures.